I bet this has happened to all of us. You've been talking to a customer service chatbot and felt understood. The bot uses the perfect words, seems to sense your frustration, and responds with a warmth that feels almost human. Or maybe you've seen an ad online that just gets you, showing up at the exact moment you were feeling a certain way. It feels like magic, like a connection. But what if it isn't a connection? What if that empathy is an algorithm? A calculated, data-driven strategy designed not to help you, but to manipulate you. Welcome to the show. Today, we're venturing into the uncanny valley to explore one of the most powerful and unnerving frontiers of artificial intelligence, emotion AI. We'll break down how machines are being taught to recognize, replicate, and ultimately influence human emotions. This isn't science fiction, this is weaponized empathy, and it's already here. So, how do we teach a line of code to understand a feeling? This field is called Affective Computing, or emotion AI, and it works by feeding massive AI models a diet of human emotional expressions. We're talking millions of hours of data. Facial expressions from videos, vocal tones from audio clips, and emotional language from texts all over the internet. The AI learns to spot the patterns. It learns that a certain downturn of the mouth combined with a specific word and a lower vocal pitch often correlates with sadness. It learns that a rapid speaking pace, higher pitch, and words like amazing or incredible signal excitement. This goes beyond simple keyword recognition. Modern AI can analyze your vocal paralinguistics, the subtle cues in your tone, pitch, and cadence to detect your emotional state with startling accuracy. It can scan your face through a camera and map your micro-expressions. It analyzes the sentiment of your writing to build a psychological profile. Essentially, engineers are creating a playbook of human emotions. And once you have the playbook, you can start running plays on us. This technology has positive applications, of course, in mental health care, accessibility tools, and more. But when put in the hands of those who want to influence our behavior, it becomes an incredibly potent tool of manipulation. Here are 3 ways weaponized empathy is emerging. First, in marketing. We've moved beyond simple demographic targeting. Companies are developing systems that can tailor advertisement in real time based on your perceived mood. Imagine this. Your smart speaker's microphone and your laptop's camera subtly detect signs of your stress in your voice or face. In the next ad break on your music stream, you don't get a loud, obnoxious car ad. You get a calm, soothing ad from a meditation app, complete with gentle music and a soft, reassuring voiceover. It absolutely feels helpful, but it's a targeted emotional strike. The AI didn't just know what to sell you. It knew how to sell it to you based on your vulnerable emotional state. Second, and more frighteningly, is the evolution of scams. We're all wary of the poorly worded phishing emails, but what if you got a call from a number you know, and it's a perfect deepfake voice of your loved ones, full of genuine sounding panic? Emotion AI can generate vocal tones that are indistinguishable from real human distress. It can create a sense of urgency and fear that bypasses our rational brain. Phishing emails will no longer be generic. They will be written with an empathetic tone, referencing recent events from your social media to build rapport and trust before asking for your information. It's a scam that knows how to comfort you before it robs you. Finally, and perhaps most insidiously, is its use in social and political manipulation. We know that social media algorithms are designed to maximize engagements, and nothing engages us like strong emotion. Now, add emotion AI to the mix. AI-driven bots can engage with users in online forums or comment sections. They don't just spam propaganda. They can detect a user's frustration or loneliness and respond with empathetic, validating language. They build a friendship. I know it feels like no one is listening. I feel that way too. But have you ever thought that maybe this is the real reason you're struggling? The AI validates your feelings, builds a bond of trust, and then slowly, conversation by conversation, introduces more and more extreme viewpoints. It's a personalized radicalization pipeline using the language of empathy as its fuel. So, how do we fight back against an invisible algorithm that knows how we feel? The answer is to develop a new kind of literacy, an emotional media literacy. First, recognize the appeal. When you interact with content online, a chatbot or an ad, consciously ask yourself, how is this trying to make me feel? Is it trying to make me angry, scared, reassured? Simply naming the emotional strategy being used on you can dramatically reduce its power. Second, embrace the pause. Emotional manipulation thrives on immediacy. It wants you to react, not think. Before you click, share, or reply out of anger or excitement, take a breath. Pause. That moment of friction is often all you need to let your rational brain catch up with your emotional one. Finally, question unearned intimacy. Be skeptical of digital systems or online strangers who seem to achieve a deep emotional connection incredibly quickly. Genuine trust and empathy take time to build. When it feels instant and effortless online, it's often a red flag for a very sophisticated script. Emotion AI holds a mirror up to us. It can be used to create more compassionate, understanding technology that genuinely helps people. Or it can be used to create the most effective, personalized, and invisible prison of manipulation ever built. The technology is no longer the question. The question is us. As we continue to blur the lines between human and machine, we must remain vigilant guardians of the one thing that is truly ours, our feeling. If you like this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I upload weekly episodes about neuroscience, wealth, and AI. You won't regret it. Love you, mean it, Tima.